Hello friends, welcome to the channel Technical Knowledge with Engineers. Today we are going to see the MCQs on Basic of Energy and Solid Fuel, which is unit number 1 of Energy and Environment. These MCQ are very important by the point of view of university exam. So without wasting our time, let us start. Question number 1. In proximate analysis, which of the following element can be found? Option A, percentage of moisture. Option B, percentage of carbon. Option C, percentage of hydrogen. Option D, percentage of nitrogen. The correct answer is A, percentage of moisture. To find the percentage of volatile matter in coal, it must be heated in the crucible at temperature. Option A, 5 to 620 degrees Celsius. Option B, 3 to 810 degrees Celsius. Option C, 825 degrees Celsius plus 10 degrees Celsius. Option D, 925 degrees Celsius plus 20 degrees Celsius. The correct option is D, 925 degrees Celsius plus 20 degrees Celsius. Question number 3. To calculate the percentage of ash content, the dry coal is heated in option A, blast furnace. Option B, muffle furnace. Option C, reverberating furnace. Option D, electric furnace. The correct answer is option B, muffle furnace. Question number 4. The percentage of the fixed carbon can be given by option A, percentage of C is equals to loss of weight due to the removal of C divided by weight of coal sample into 100. Option B, percentage of C is equals to weight of coal divided by 12 into 100. Option C, percentage of C is equals to 100 minus percentage of ash. Option number D, percentage of C is equals to 100 minus percentage of moisture plus percentage of volatile matter plus percentage of ash. The correct answer is option D, percentage of C is equals to 100 minus percentage of moisture plus percentage of volatile matter plus percentage of ash. Question number 5. High percentage of moisture is undesirable because option A, increase the cost of transport. Option B, increase the cost of efficiency. Option C, increase the cost of calorific value. Option D, decrease the cost of storage. The correct option is A, increase the cost of transport. Question number 6. Ultimate analysis of coal is also called as option A, quantitative analysis. Option B, elementary analysis. Option C, qualitative analysis. Option D, secondary analysis. The correct answer is option C, qualitative analysis. Question number 7. Increase in 1% of percentage of oxygen decrease the calorific value by option A, 1.7%. Option B, 2.7%. Option C, 3.7%. Option D, 4.7%. The correct answer is option A, 1.7%. Question number 8. The amount of heat liberated by complete combustion of unit quantity of fuel is known as option A, agitation. Option B, combustion. Option C, calorific value. Option D, thermogenesis. The correct answer is option C, calorific value. Question number 9. Which calorimeter is used to measure the calorific value of solid and liquid fuel? Option A, Boyce calorimeter. Option B, Bohm's calorimeter. Option C, Juncker calorimeter. Option D, Calvert type calorimeter. The correct answer is option B, Bohm calorimeter. Question number 10. Unit of calorific value of substance is option A, kilocal. Option B, joule. Option C, joule kg. Option D, joule per kg. The correct answer is option D, joule per kg. Question number 11. Calorific value as determined by volume calorimeter is the option A, higher calorific value at constant volume. Option B, gross calorific value at constant pressure. Option C, lower calorific value at constant pressure. Option D, net calorific value at constant volume. The correct answer is option A, higher calorific value at constant volume. Question number 12. Fossil fuel are option A, non-renewable source of energy. Option B, renewable source of energy. Option C, both A and B. Option D, neither A and B. The correct answer is option A, non-renewable source of energy. Question number 13. Amount of water vapor in air is regarded as option A, water vapor. Option B, humidity. Option C, mildness. Option D, pressure. The correct answer is option B, humidity. Question number 14. Which of the following problem is associated with a burning of coal? Option A, carbon dioxide emission. Option B, acid rain. Option C, ash with toxic metal. Option D, all of this. The correct answer is D, all of these. Question number 15. What is the disadvantage of solar energy? Option A large surface area is required to collect the solar. Option B, daily average of solar energy varies from 4 to 7 kWh per meter square. Option C, highly hazardous toxic material is used in the manufacturing of solar devices. Option D, all of the above are disadvantage. The correct answer is option D, all of the above are disadvantage. Question number 16. Gross calorific value is greater than net calorific value. Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer is option A, true. Question number 17. Geothermal energy is option A, heat energy in the interior of earth. Option B, energy of molten mass exists in the form of magma inside earth. Option C, molten lava on the surface of earth. Option D, energy obtained from solar thermal electric plant. The correct option is A, heat energy in the interior of earth. Question number 18. A good fuel should possess option A, high ignition temperature. Option B, moderate ignition temperature. Option C, high calorific value. Option D, both high calorific value and moderate ignition temperature. The correct option is D, both high calorific value and moderate ignition temperature. Question number 19. The variety of coal which has the highest carbon content. Option A, anthracite. Option B, peat. Option C, bituminous. Option D, lignite. The correct answer is A, anthracite. Question number 20. The amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 kg of mass of substance through 1 K is called as option A, specific energy. Option B, specific heat. Option C, specific stress. Option D, specific density. The correct answer is A, specific heat. Question number 21. Condensation refers to the change from option A, solid to liquid phase. Option B, vapor to liquid phase. Option C, liquid to solid phase. Option D, liquid to vapor phase. The correct answer is B, vapor to the liquid phase. Question number 22. Factor influencing humidity is option A, temperature. Option B, pressure. Option C, water. Option D, osmosis. The correct option is A, temperature. Question number 23. Which among the following is eco-friendly fuel obtained naturally? Option A, diesel. Option B, petrol. Option C, LPG. Option D, CNG. The correct answer is D, CNG. Question number 24. Which among the following is a non-renewable source of energy? Option A, solar. Option B, methane. Option C, hydroelectric. Option D, coal. The correct answer is option D, coal. Question number 25. Energy resources derived from organic material are called as option A, geothermal energy. Option B, fossil fuel. Option C, coal. Option D, all of this. The correct answer is B, fossil fuel. At last, thank you for watching this video, and if you like the video, please comment, share and subscribe the channel which is Technical Knowledge with Engineers.